Before we actually start, let's talk about one very important thing. Where does JavaScript actually run? Now you might know this, in this case just feel free to skip ahead, but if you're not 100% sure about this, here you go. JavaScript typically runs in the browser, which means when you load a web page, JavaScript is not executed on the server from which the web page comes, but instead in your browser. That's why JavaScript is so popular these days, because it allows you to create very good and reactive user experiences, since it doesn't depend on some kind of server responding in time, but well, it runs in the browser, there where the user is using it. There is no closer way or no closer place to execute code, and therefore JavaScript is very powerful. But there also is the chance to run it on the server with Node.js, which is a server-side language based on JavaScript. Now in this course, I'll clearly focus on the browser part, but many of the concepts you learn here, indeed all of the very basics of JavaScript and how it works, will of course also apply to the server in Node.js. Node.js extends the language and offers other features as well, but the core language, of course, is JavaScript, and therefore the things you learn in this course are relevant for this as well.